In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get dark mode on Instagram on your Android device. As you can see right there on the screen, I've actually enabled dark mode on Instagram on my Android phone. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. But before that, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video so that we can reach more people. I would appreciate that. And then right now, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Instagram on your Android device. So there are actually a few different ways on how you can do this, and I'll show you all of them right now. So if I just do this right now, I'm just gonna quickly disable dark mode on Instagram, and there you go. So right now I'm not in Instagram dark mode. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my settings on my phone, and I'm gonna find night mode, okay? So I'm gonna scroll down, and then I'm gonna click on display. There you go. And then right there you'll see the option night mode. Use a darker theme to keep your eyes comfortable at night. You want to enable that, and there you go. So right now the phone is in dark mode, and what happens is that Instagram actually works the exact same way. So when you turn on night mode on your phone, Instagram will automatically go into night mode as well, or dark mode, whatever you want to call it, okay? So my phone calls it night mode, but on Instagram it's called dark mode. Now that's exactly how you can actually enable dark mode on Instagram on your phone on Android devices. Now if you have the latest Android version, you can actually scroll down into this menu. Let me just get rid of these notifications, and then if you swipe down on this menu and then swipe left, you can actually see the shortcut for the night mode. So you can also just click right there, and then there you go, okay? So swipe down, swipe left, click on night mode, and there you go. Your phone turns into night mode. Click on Instagram, and there you go. That's how you can enable dark mode on your Instagram device. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Comment down below that this works, or if you have any questions, comment them down below. I try to reply to all comments. So make sure you go ahead and do that. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. I would appreciate that, as well as I'm trying to build a huge channel, so I would appreciate that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a nice day.